welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and ring the bell for more notification. So today we want to look at question 6c. Prove the identity 1 over sine x minus 1 over tan x squared is equal to or is equivalent to 1 negative cos x over 1 plus cos x. Hence solve the equation 1 over sine x minus 1 tan x to the raising power of 2 is equal to 2 over 5 for such that this x is greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 2 pi. So not knowing that this cos inverse is of 3 over 7 is 1.23 degrees Celsius. But in mathematics, we don't use degrees Celsius. But in physics, we normally use degrees Celsius. So meaning an angle is in a degree. So here it is 2 pi, meaning this is 30 degrees. 30, which is 360. It's the same as 360 degrees. Okay, due to some challenges, this is why it's giving us. Let's get started to look at this part. Right, so prove the identity. What identity are we proving? We are saying 1 over sine x minus 1 over tan x less than power of 2 is equal to 1 over cos x 1 plus cos x, like that. Now we are taught to prove the left hand side. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So we are going to get the complicated part. So we're going to say from the left hand side 1 over sine x minus 1 over tan x raising power of 2. Okay, so this one in expansion is the same as 1 over sine x minus 1 over tan x multiplied by 1 over sine x minus 1 over tan x, just like that. So we continue. So we know that this one is 1 over sine x minus tan over 1 over tan is the same as cos x over sine x. Please don't forget, this one is an identity. This one also is an identity, which is cosecant, which is 1 over sine x minus cos x over sine x. There we go. What's a common denominator here? Is sine multiplied by the common denominator this side also is sine. So we have 1 minus cos x, like that. 1 minus cos x, just like that. Then here we have sine times sine is sine squared, like that. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times cos is negative cos x. This times that one is negative cos x, like that. This times that one is positive cos x squared x. So we have 1 minus cos x. So that's what we are. Then we have plus cos x squared over, this one also is an identity, is 1 minus cos x squared x. This is a quadratic function, so you can factor out. We have 1 to 1, so meaning two numbers when you add them should give us -2, then sorry, it's 1. The product there is 1, so 1 times 1, 1. Two numbers when you add them should give us 1, but when you multiply them should give us -2. When you multiply them should give us 1. When you add them, it's giving us -2, so the answer is -1, -1. So cos x squared x minus cos x minus cos x plus 1 over 1 minus cos x, like that. So we are saying this one, common denominator is cos x. So we have cos x there, minus 1, then there is 1, -1, so it gives us cos x minus 1 over, this one is a difference of two squares, the down part, so is plus cos x, then also 1 minus cos x, like that. There you go. Okay, so having checked, we can see that we are going to have cos x minus 1, cos x minus 1 over 1 plus x, 1 cos x. This one and this one cancels. What this one and this one cancels, you can see. Let me move the work here. So you are remaining with cos x minus 1 over 1 plus cos x. Hence, what did they say? They say proof. Hence proved. Hence proved that the left hand side is equal to, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So this is the work all along we have done together. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.